In this video, I'm going to discuss how to create a Gmail account. We'll talk about how to sign up for the account, what your inbox should look like, sending an email, recovering your password, and two-step verification. When in Google Chrome, you can access Gmail by clicking the name in the upper right-hand corner. You can also type mail.google.com in the URL bar. Now click Create an Account. Enter your name and create your username. You can include letters, numbers, and periods. Create a password at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Retype your password to confirm and click Next. On the screen is a sample of what your information in the boxes should look like. Your email address must be unique. If Google says the email you chose is already being used, try adding a few numbers or some periods. Here you'll need to put in recovery information, including a phone number or an email address. Put in a phone number that you have access to. This will be necessary if you forget your password. Google has also implemented a new security measure in which you must verify your account when logging in on a new device. You will need to confirm on your phone. If you have a smartphone, it will send you a push notification. If you don't, you can click Try Another Way and select Text Message. Google will send you a text message to your phone to verify your number. Click Send and check your phone for messages. Take the code that Google texted you and enter the code into the box, and then click Verify. Click Skip here to avoid giving Google more access to your phone. Scroll to the bottom of the Privacy and Terms page and click the I Agree button. This is your inbox. This is where you will receive email sent to the email address you created. To write an email, click the Compose button on the left side. The window on the right is where you will put the recipient's email address, the subject, and the content of your email. You can attach files and images to your email with the buttons next to the Send button. If you click the profile photo in the upper right corner, it will open this box from which you can manage your account. You can also sign over your email using this window. If you're using a shared computer, it is recommended that you sign out of your account every time you are done using it. Next, we will be discussing how to recover your forgotten password. If you cannot remember the password to your Gmail account, click Forgot Password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so be aware of your caps lock. First, Google will ask you to put in the last password you remember using. If you can't remember a previous password, click Try Another Way. Click one of the provided options to receive a code, like text. Google will send you a code to the phone that you provided when you signed up for your account. Now check your phone for the code. Just like when you created the account, you will take the code that Google texted you and enter the code into the box, then press Next. Now you will create a new password. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long, include capital letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to write this down where you can find it again. Now that you're signed back in, click Continue to Gmail at the bottom of the screen. Now you're back in your inbox. If you cannot find the email that you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top. Make sure to check your social and promotional tabs, as well as your spam folder, which you can find by clicking More in the left panel. Now we'll be discussing how to turn off two-step verification. This is a security feature that can protect your account from being accessed by someone other than you. However, if you're going to be logging into your account from a device that is not your own, like a library computer, this can become an annoying hindrance. In the upper right corner, you will click your account. This will be a circle with a letter or a picture. This will open a menu where you can select Manage your Google account. To turn off two-step verification, you will need to click on See Details under the Your Account is Protected section. The Security Checkup section will show you which devices you are signed into, if you've saved passwords, apps you've logged into using Google, and two-step verification. Click on Two-step verification. You will need to put in your password before it will let you change your two-step verification settings. It will now show you the options for two-step verification. It will likely default to Google prompts if you are also logged in on a smartphone. This will send you a notification on your phone to confirm that you are logging in to a new device. Or it may text a code to use to log in, like when you forget your password. You can turn off these options so you don't need to confirm every time you log into a new device, like library computers. You will have to confirm that you are sure you want to turn off two-step verification. You will then only need your password when logging into a new device. Google will still send an email each time you log into a new device, just in case, so that you may notice if you did not just log in and your account may be compromised. Your two-step verification is now off. You can turn it back on at any time by following the same steps used to turn it off. If you have any questions, you can contact the library via phone at 586-445-5407, via email at rsvlibraryservice@roseville-mi.gov, or via Facebook or Instagram messaging. You can also stop by in person whenever the library is open.